You just captured a bunch of new leads from your landing page. But here comes the real challenge. How do you ensure each lead gets the right message at the right time without manually sending hundreds of emails? This is where you need a marketing journey to send personalized messages and automate follow ups with your customers. Hello, I'm Shrey, and this is Getting Started with Salesforce. Salesforce makes it super easy to engage your customers and execute marketing journeys without any manual or repetitive processes. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build your first marketing journey, set up automation, and make sure every lead feels like you're talking to them one on one. Before wasting any time, let's dive right in. So, we have our furniture store website here, and suppose our leads are signing up here or purchasing any item. So we'll get our lead data from the website. And now we want to send them a welcoming email. And for that, we'll create a marketing journey. Let's head to our Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Here, click on Email Studio and then to the Subscribers tab and click on Data Extension. I'll create a data extension in just 3 steps and import the lead data here. So let's create a new extension, Data Extension. I'll use a standard data extension and give it a name, external key description, etc. Check the boxes to make it deliverable and also to test out an email and click on Next. Now we have to create the schema for the fields we want to map from our data. Give it a label and type the fields, data type, and adjust the length of each field that you want to map in the data extension. Now, make your subscriber key as the primary key, which means this will be the unique field for every record. Send relationship is also a subscriber key now. Click on Create and your data extension is ready. Now, this is our schema and I want to update the records here through a CSV file. So go to the records and find this import button. Just click on import and from your system, you have to browse to add the CSV. Check this button if you have double quotes and you want to add them as a text qualifier. Click on Next. Now you have to configure the mapping, and if the name in the file is the same as the name that you have given in the schema, then it will map by itself. Click on Next, review everything, and the email address here is the one where you will get notified when your records are imported. Click on Import and Close. And here you have your records mapped. Now let's move on to create the welcome email text that we want to send. Go to Home and click on the Content Builder tab and open it. Click on the Create button, go to Content Blocks and select Text. Here you will have a space to customize. Add your email body content here, and as you can see, the first name, last name, etc. are not mentioned. It is because I will send a personalized mail to each customer. For this, go to the user icon to choose your data source and select the data extension which we just created. Click on Save. Give your template a name as well and save. Now click on the Create button again, and this time we need to create the email template, which is how the email will look like. Click on the email message in the drop down, select template, and choose the template you want. Give it a name and click on Next. On this screen, go to the Content tab and choose the welcome email text. Add your email subject, click Done, and then Save. And your email template is now created. Now finally, we have to create the email journey. So let's go back to Home and here, go to Journey Builder. Click on Create and choose the multi-step journey option. You have to add the data extension here as well. So in the entry source, drag and drop the data extension. Select the data extension we created before. And click on Done. Now in Messages, drag the email component and drop in the journey. Click on it to select the message that we created before. Click on Summary and then Done. Now in the flow control, I'm adding a wait by duration component because we will wait for some time after sending out the first email. And the next step will be executed depending on whether the customer opens it or not. I'm choosing 1 minute for this demo, but you can select a day or a week. Next is to add the engagement split. It will help us check whether the customer has opened the email or not. So in this engagement split, first we'll select the welcome email for which we want the split. And then select the action. If the email is not open, then in the No section, I'm choosing to send them a reminder email. I've created 2 more emails with the same process as our welcome email. So I will link one of those here. Click on Summarize and we are done. Now I will repeat the yes or no flow after the reminder email. And this time in the no section, I'm choosing to exit the customer from this journey. I'll get to the yes part of this one in a while. Let's move on to the yes part of our welcome email first. Start with adding the duration. I'm choosing 1 minute for the demo. But in a realistic situation, you can choose 5 days or any number of days that you would like. If the customer has opened our first email, that is the welcome email, then you need to add a decision split this time. The field here will be purchase. If they purchase the product, then I'm choosing exit journey in the flow. This means the customer has opened our email, purchased a product, and hence the journey is complete for them. Now, what happens if the customer does not make a decision right away? Well, in this case, they will again need a reminder email. So let's add the email that I have already prepared, a product purchase reminder. I'm not splitting this into a yes or no flow again, but closing the customer journey here. Now almost everything is done, except for the part where our customer opened our previous reminder email. Since they know of the product here, we will join this to the decision split in our journey. So if the customer does not open our welcome email, but ends up opening the reminder email, then they will be redirected to make a decision and purchase a product. And the same purchase journey will be repeated. And our marketing journey is complete here. Just click on validate and activate once completed. Let me show you all the emails that I've received through this journey so you know how it works. Here's the first welcome email. And since I did not open it in the set duration of 1 minute, I've received another reminder email. Now, if I had not opened this one, I would have received the product purchase reminder as well. And just like that, your first marketing journey is live. Now, every new lead will automatically receive personalized emails and follow-ups, leaving you with enough time to focus on strategy instead of manually sending emails. Stay tuned for more such videos on getting started with Salesforce. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.